Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the limit. We need to do common denominator. This one will multiply by e to the power of s minus 1 on numerator and denominator. This one that is about s. Now, we need to combine two fractions in here. So, when s approaches to number 0, this one we have number 1. 1 minus 1, we got number 0. This one we have number 0. This one we have number 0. So that means we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L'Hospital. So the first thing, s multiplied by this one, we have like this. Now we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have e to the power of s. This one you got number 0. This one we have number 1. Now this one we need to apply the product rule of the derivative. So we have like this. This one we have number 1. So if we put number 0 on here and here, they still got about 0 over 0. So we continue using L'Hospital. So this one we have e to the power of s. This one that is about the constant. This one that is about s e to the power of s plus e to the power of s. The next one e to the power of s. Now in this one we can put number 0 on here, here, here and here. So we have the final answer. So we have 1 over number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.